Buongiorno, buonasera, good day or good evening. This is Larry Aiello. I'm here at the Galleria shopping center in Milan. It's all full of famous Italian brand stores like Prada, Gucci, Armani, etc., etc. And as you can see, it's very gorgeous, a lot of mosaic tile, beautiful architecture. It's probably the most famous mall in all of Italy. And the concept of shopping malls in Italy is kind of new. And you won't see, it's not like the US where you see movie theaters and food courts with Chinese restaurants and so on and so forth. You'll see independent bars like this one here. This one was here since 1928. You won't get the chains like you do in the United States, but you do have a lot of famous brand stores in these shopping. They're called Centri commerciali in Italian, these little shopping mall areas, and they're different than what you have in the United States. You know, in the US, you also have the outlet malls, which are outside. This is along those lines of the outlet malls where you have outside blending with the inside. Now, the stores in Italian are called negozi. These centro commerciali, they have, well, they're called negozio in singular and negozi in plural. You can see the gorgeous mosaic, or gorgeous tile here along this promenade here. And they rate, and the shopping in Italy ranges from these high-end stores here that you see at this mall. Of course, not everyone can afford or buys Armani suits, but there's a lot of quality brands in Italy that you can purchase. Other unknown brands to us, but known by Italians that are good quality brands. They love to dress very well here in Milan. And then, of course, you have at the other end of the spectrum, you'll have stalls, or bancarelle, they're called, the little outside markets that they're popular, especially in Palermo and in Naples. These little outside markets sell fruits and vegetables, along with clothing as well. And then in some of the smaller towns, you'll see certain vendors come by on certain days. Like Tuesday might be the day that the bread vendors come by in the local town. And Wednesday might be the day when the fishermen come by and set up their outside stalls. So it could be very, very local. You know, in those smaller towns, you get very, very localized. And even in the bigger towns, Sunday might be a day for selling flowers. Flower market may be open on certain days. Fish market may be open on certain days, so on and so forth. Of course, paying, you can pay by contanti, by cash, or also carta di credito, credit card. They'll just bring out a machine and you can swipe your card. Some of the more common stores that you'll see in Italy are edicola, which would be a newsstand, or you can also run across libreria, not to be confused with a library, but a libreria is a bookstore. You'll also see a T for tabaccaio, and here they sell candy, along with cigarettes and tobacco items. They'll sell candy. You can recharge your cell phone here. You can buy bus passes here at the tabaccaio, indicated with the T. You'll see Farmacia, pharmacy. You'll also see pasticceria, pastry shop. Cartoleria, which is a stationery store. Ferretteria, which is a hardware store. Macelleria, which is a butcher shop. You'll also see a bar, which is not like a bar in the US that sells solely liquor, but they'll sell coffee, sometimes ice cream. You can also find enoteca, which is a wine shop. Gelateria, which is an ice cream shop. You can also find a tintoria, which is a dry cleaner, and a lavanderia, which is a laundromat. And of course, you'll see ristorante, which is a restaurant. Trattoria, which is also a restaurant, tends to be more of a local neighborhood restaurant, more of a mom and pop. You can get some great foods at your restaurants, various restaurants. It's hard to find bad meals here in Italy. Here we're also coming across a sign for here's a little currency exchange. coming up to a sign for a Farmacia, about 30 meters away. And then of course we have the little outside, straight ahead, little outside vendor selling some lunch and drink items. Oh, and he's got some chestnuts. It's October. He's got some chestnuts brewing. They're called castagne. Castagne. All right. Hope you all have a great day. A little bit of shopping in Italy. If you want to learn more Italian, click on my link below. It'll take you to my Italian course, and I have other courses in the link below. Have a great day.